In today's video, we're gonna talk about a unicorn that we hunted on our live streaming that pumped almost 200% and now going back for a potential reversal around the 100. And we're gonna discuss the other stock that we hunted a few days ago and we took profit on our live streaming. We're gonna discuss where the price will reverse for them because we have major news for UBS, CRM, and TTOO. We have AMC as well. We're gonna discuss mini stocks. So let's dive right in and talk about first ACER. This one, we hunted this stock right on our live streaming and we suggest to take profit here around the $1.55. We entered around the $1.29 and the price got halted. Then we got unhalted until this price and the price went down. So we exited with profit. Then the price went until the $1.74 and now we're still holding a current support around the $1.19. The other stock that we hunted and yesterday hunt for our elite hunters, UBS, we did chart analysis update for this stock and our elite one-day swing trade. Yes, you guessed it. This is a swing trade for overnight swing trade where we do a lot of chart analysis update. When we did the UBS, we said the breakout around the 25.56, profit taking $27. We went there. Look, price got rejected right around the $27 and now accumulating down. We're going to discuss if we're going to have a breakout. The other one, CRM, jumped almost 7% on the market open. Yes, almost 7%. We entered around this area, the 213. We did it here on the King Elite Swing Trade. We did the mini trade before that. Yes, it was on the 28th of August and we suggest to enter around the 213.33, profit taken around the 223. However, we take profit around this resistance because we spotted a hidden seller around the 29 or 229.80. We took profit before the rejection and now the price going down. Of course, we're going to discuss where the price will reverse for this one. The other stock that we have to discuss is EBET because it's getting near a bottom. We reversed from the bottom, we went up and now still accumulating over the support. TIO went down, TTOO still looking good for a breakout. So let's dive deeper and discuss first ACER. This stock did really crazy jump in pre-market. Look, in pre-market we were almost 100%. Then when the market opened, we spotted this stock around this breakout, the 119. We entered here around the 100 or the $1.29. We took profit around this wick. Price went up again, but we suggested our hunter don't feel FOMO and get in because I don't feel confident to enter after this huge jump in pre-market and we don't have a pullback. So we don't enter once again, price pulled back, and then we did chart analysis update after our live streaming because we always update our hunter for updated level for where you enter, when you exit. And we suggested that the $1.19 is the support. The price was accumulating here for a few hours and we have a bit of weakness because the price is doing lower highs, and now we have this red candle. Short seller is still adding. We might have a pullback down. If we broke the $1.90, we're gonna have a flush, and will be opportunity for us to enter around the 91.41. Would be a juicy entry for the stock because if we dipped from this level, we might have a 20% reversal, and after that we're gonna have a nice pump up almost 20% around the $1.15 once again. So watch out for this dip. We need to hold the 91 because if we dipped below the 91 is mean a flush, and I don't suggest anybody to enter. So this is the entry point for a reversal. If the price held here over the $1.90, we might have action in after hours or by tomorrow in pre-market if we broke this level of resistance, the $1.74. Of course, if we broke this level, we're gonna do a pre-market update to have updated level for this stock here. You see, we have a channel called pre-market alert. We do always a watch list and pre-market request stocks because if you are a disciplined hunter or king or elite, you can request a daily stock each day. So we're gonna leave it for tomorrow if we broke the $1.74 in pre-market. Next up, we got CRM. Wow. This one was good. Let's go first for UBS. Yeah, this was good for UBS. The price jumped pretty nicely after we did the chart analysis update, as we said, on our elite 1-day signal or overnight swing trade. We hunted for this stock around this orange line, and the price pumped the next day almost 6%. We suggested to exit because we spotted the hidden seller around the 27. Price didn't break, went down, but now we have to discuss if there's a chance for re-entry. As long as we hold the 25.50, this is game on for this stock to go higher once again over the 27, and we might have at least the 28 and the 29. So it's still looking good, the fundamental looking good, the technical is still looking good. We have double top here, and we might have a continuation for stock. Next up, we got CRM looking pretty nice. We have double top, the same as the other stock. The price went down, but this one is a bigger dip. You see here, a bigger dip, the other one, because now is almost 3%. We have to watch for this stock for this support over the 213, give or take. Let me just check again. Let me just update the level. I will put the level around the 217. This will be really good if we hold over the 217, because if we held, we're gonna have a reversal the next day or next week around the 237.61. Again, this one we did it on our King Elite signal. This one we hold it for a few days, yeah, from the 28th of August until today, almost 3 days. Yes, not bad. And then the price jumped, we took profit almost 6%, and then the price went down. So we might have a continuation for this pump. It's not over. This is a good re-entry, or it's called a correction for this stock, because we have a huge pump, some people take profit, so this is normal. Next up, we have to discuss the EBET, because it look really good. This stock pumped before. Let me just show you what this stock did back in 15th of August. We did almost 260% in just one day. That's why many of you asking about this stock each day, and we said every time, as long as we hold the 4 cents, we are good to go. Guess what? We have this reversal today in pre-market. Yes, we have a nice reversal. And again, when the market opened, some of you asked me about EBET, because we already did almost 20%. And what we said, the 5 cent is a rejection. Watch out, a resistance. And then the price get rejected just before this resistance and went down. Now we have to watch for the 4 cent, or to be precise, around the 0.043. Because if we broke it, we're gonna have a flush down toward the 36 and the 27, or around the 4 cent and the 2 cent. Here where we're gonna have another pump like this one. So I don't suggest to buy if the price broke this red line. If we held, yes, we could actually buy, because the stop loss would be really near here. If we broke, I don't suggest to average down, buy the dip here. Is not price value for this stock. We have to wait. Be patient. Sometimes new traders, not sometimes, but every time, when the price dip have a new low, they jump in and buy. And this is not good way to enter, because the price will continue to go down. And you think that the price is discounted. You say, okay, Jesus, the price is discounted, almost 20%. No, it might dip another 20%. It happened for many stocks, and dip again, maybe 60%. So never buy until we have market maker buying. That's why we have those hot spots around the 36 and the 27 where the market maker will buy. In the time being, if we hold the 43, we might have a squeeze from the 52 or the 5 cents. After we break this level, we might have the 62 or around the 6 cents. Finally, we have TTOO or TTOO, 2% down, 44 million worth of volume. This one is about to do something drastic. I'm just saying, guys. First, we have this pump. Second, we have accumulation. Third, we have double top. And now it's still holding over this red box. Looking good for a squeeze, for my opinion, in Friday. So if the price broke this level around the 34.87, we're gonna do alert or urgent alert around our Patreon and Discord before the market open, because this reaction could happen in pre-market. If it happened in pre-market, we're gonna do pre-market alert for TTO, especially here on our Discord, and of course on our Patreon, where we always do short analysis update and video update each day for those kind of hot stock that we call unicorn stock. Because after the 34.87, all hell break loose for TTO. We might have a huge pump. So we're gonna update you about the entry, about the profit taken, not one, but at least 2 or 3 profit taken, where we should take our profit for TTO before a major rejection and selling pressure will come once again, because the selling pressure always come for those kind of stocks. We're gonna do live streaming tomorrow for AMC and the pre-market before the market open for Discord and Patreon, as we said, for TTO, for ACER, because it might break from the resistance. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.